Today we are going on a boat trip to Hong Island, which is about 45 minutes long-tail boat ride from Onang. Fun fact, these long-tail boats use car or truck engines, and as you can see, they sometimes even use the steering wheel of the vehicles. There are three options to get to Hong Island from Onang. First option is Hong Island boat service, which is 500 baht per person for a round trip, and the maximum of 6 people can travel in one boat. The second option is Hong Island and Hong Lagoon by private boat, which costs 2,500 baht per boat, and also a maximum of 6 people can travel in one boat. And the third option is a 3-island private boat tour, which includes Hong Island with the lagoon, Loading Island and Krabi Island. Also, maximum of 6 people can travel in one boat, and it costs 3,000 baht. These prices do not include the national park entrance fee, which is 300 baht per person. You must pay it in cash immediately at the pier when you arrive. You should memorize the number of your boat, because after you get off the boatman doesn't dock the boat directly at the pier, but waits a little further away. If you can't find your boat at the pier, National Park Guards will help you to call it. If you have rented a private boat, it is also important to discuss a departure time with the captain or with the people you arrived with in the same boat. Here, there is a nature trail to the left, a roughly 800-meter route, a pleasant 15 to 20 minute walk towards the center of the island. Here you can meet variety of birds and butterflies, and of course, wonderful limestone formations. There are no trash cans on the island, so you must take your trash home with you. There is also a small restaurant here, so you can easily plan a full day program, because you can sit down at any time for a delicious pad thai with an ice-cold fruit shake. We just arrived to the starting point. From here, more than 400 steps take us up to the 360 degrees panoramic viewpoint. It is very hot and there is hardly any shade, so if you come, make sure to bring a cap and at least a bottle of water. The view is amazing, so don't miss climbing up to this viewpoint if you are here on the island, especially if you have a drone. To fly drones in Thailand, you must obtain permission from the Thai government. In addition, if you wish to fly a drone in any of the national parks here, you must also obtain a permit from the specific park. The Thai authorities take drone regulations seriously in national parks, and park rangers will check for permits if they see you flying a drone. Hong Island is part of the Tambok-Korani National Park, and thus you need to obtain a permit from this park in order to fly your drone. And of course, you also need to have the necessary permit from the Thai government.
coast, there are several warning signs of jellyfish in the water. This is why many people can be seen swimming in swim shirts or rash guards. In Thai, the word Hong means room. The island got its name because the lagoon with the limestone walls around it is like a room, and the door of the room is its narrow exit to the open ocean. The lagoon hides an entire mangrove forest and of course turquoise water, making it a great place for swimming and snorkeling. We have just arrived back to Aonang. Hong Island is truly stunning and it's full of things to see. You can spend a pleasant and active day there by walking, hiking, snorkeling, swimming and of course relaxing. If you have the opportunity to visit, it is definitely worth going there.
Meg volt a mai hajótúránk, Hong Island, Aztán most hazafele a szokásos napi sékünket megvettük. Gyümölcsből, cukor és tejnelből. Csak a gyümölcses víz. Most sétálunk haza, aztán mocsora.
Jöhet a lakoma.
Jöhet a lakoma.